Good morning, families. Today we are going to talk about the letter activity on your OneNote. It should look like this. It's a printable activity. You do not have to print this out to use it. You can make your own, and quite frankly, it's a lot of colored ink here. And the purpose of the activity is to identify letter names, possibly letter sounds. The activity suggests that you printing these out, crumble up the letters, and then use some type of grabbing tool to pick up the letters and then identify the letter name or sound that you found. With me, I don't really want to crumble up this nice colored letter. So I was thinking that a way to modify this lesson would be to use Post-it notes. And you can write letters on Post-it notes. You can then crumble them up. And maybe you could hide them in like a sensory bin. So you could hide them in there, and they're finding the letters, opening it up, and identifying the letter. If your child is not quite at this level, they may have an IEP goal where they need to write their name or identify the letters in their name or match the letters in their name. This would be a great activity for that. So once they found the letter N, maybe you then have their name written out on a piece of paper and they match the letter in their name. We're writing your name, Aaron. We found I and N. We need to find an E and an R now. Another thing that I found might be fun, and you may have these around right now because Easter just happened, these little eggs. So you can actually crumble up the paper and hide them in the eggs. If you have a bunch of eggs, you can, also work on following that direction of, open the blue egg, or we need to find a blue egg or a green egg. First do a blue one, then do a green one and see what letters we found. And then they'll open up the egg, uncrumble it, and match it with the letter in their name. Okay, we found E, I, and N. What letter do we need now? We need to find the letter R. Okay, let's open up another egg or look for the letter R. When they find it, make a match. Look, we wrote your name, E-R-I-N. This is just another activity that we can modify to meet our children's needs. If your children are not at the level of letters, whether it's naming their letter, the sounds that they make, or forming their name, I would suggest using shapes or colors. You can also do a nice little sequencing activity or patterning. So you could have circle, star, find them, and now make a match. Look, we did circle, star. What do you think comes next? There are a lot of different ways to modify this activity to meet your child's needs. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.